Here's a parcel of Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules in millimetres. It's been heavily tumbled, give it the appearance of fairly rounded stones. There's still a little bit of clay on some of them. This piece, this is mostly potch and colour. Get a bit closer. Okay, as you can see, some of these are quite large. 40-50 millimetres long, some of these. Something like this. You need a saw, slice it through. Each time you slice it, have a look to see if there's any colour. You might end up with what you've got there, or you might end up with a nice seam of colour in the middle. It's hard to know. Some of these haven't got much colour, but it's the look of the draw. Other pieces like this. Some of this material's got sun flash. Need to grind it up and then have a look to see if it's got the colour going through the potch, like a bit like this piece here, like a phantom that just goes through the bar of potch quite often. Sometimes this is sought after the facet. Don't know if that piece will, but there's other piece like this. More of a solid stone. The knobby's in the clay. Sort of piece that's got a rolling flash sometimes in it. Colour in the middle there. Greens are showing up. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. Here's a little nice eye. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.